My sink is completely blocked. So the first thing you can do is to unscrew your waste pipe system. Before doing so, make sure there is a large bucket underneath the waste system. Then first unlock the retaining nut of the bowl connection by turning it in the clockwise direction. As you can see in here, the water is all the way to the top, so we would need to unscrew another retaining nut by turning it in the clockwise direction. Bear in mind that some of the retaining nuts needs to be turned in the anti-clockwise direction. To learn more, please watch my other video, link in the description. In the similar way, you can keep unscrewing different connections and check carefully that nothing is blocking your waste pipe system. If you see something is blocking, then push it out using a stick, screwdriver, or a very thick cable. Now you can connect back your waste pipe system and hopefully you have unblocked your sink. However, if your sink is still blocked, then please watch my other video where I will show you how to use a chemical to unblock your sink without removing your waste pipe system.